In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a stroke to text in Photoshop. So pretty simple. You can you can have any kind of text with stroke on it, and that will most of the time make your text pop on a certain page. So what we can do is we can just go over to the text tool. I'm going to click and drag just so that we have a big canvas here, and I'm going to increase the size because that font is really small. And I'm going to write down uh, hello, how are you? And what we can do here to add a stroke to your font, you can always just keep this nice and selected. And what I personally like to do is go up to the layers tab here so I can go to the layers tab here, go to layer style and blending options. So these options are a lot of different stuff going on, but what you want to really focus on is the actual stroke. So what the stroke is going to do is you can create any kind of color stroke that you want. So if I choose a red here, it will create a red stroke around that font. Now, you can go ahead and modify the size. You can go ahead and modify the position of it. And you see how it changes here. So that's a good way to do it. You can have different blending modes if you want it to kind of appear um, a touch different. And you can also have the opacity be a little bit lower if you want, if you don't want it to be a very strong saturated color. So this is a way to do it. This is a very simplistic way to add stroke to your fonts, to any of your text, but you can also do it with pictures, with icons, with really anything that you want. So even here, I can bring this in, right? And what I'm going to do really quick is get rid of the background around it. I, I believe there's one here. Yep. So what you can do is go and do the same process. So you can go make sure you have the correct layer selected, go to the layers tab, and then go down to layer styles and blending options once again. And we can go ahead and check mark stroke, and that's going to put the stroke on. And we can make this any color that we want. What if I wanted a black stroke on there? Hit OK, and you can make this any size stroke that you want, and just keep going and really make it however way you want. So that is a quick tutorial on how to add stroke to text in Photoshop. I hope you guys found the video useful, and we'll see you in the next one.